Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Today, boys and girls, we're going to create something really lovely. We're using just pipe cleaners alone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have 6 pipe cleaners, and boys and girls, you can try to have them in the same tone. So for the boys, you could use like boys colors like blue, greens, orange, whatever. It's okay, and the girls can have their it's your own favorite color. So it's just you're going to create something using, it's actually going to be a ring, but it's going to be in the shape of a rose or a flower or whatever, a beetle for the boys. So we're going to put the 6 pipe cleaners together, and we're going to wrap it around our fingers. Let's try to make sure that it's all to get like the same length. And then this one is a little, just a tiny bit shorter. That's okay. You just let it, try to put it in the middle. All right. So I got this like that. So what you do, you hold it in the middle like that, and you twist it, and you twist it again. How many times? Maybe 7. I did 3, 4, 5. I think that's enough. It has to be enough to go around your finger like that. And so you wrap it around your finger, and then you twist it once around your finger, and you can twist it again like so. But don't make it too tight and then you can't take out the ring. You don't want that to happen, boys and girls. So I've got it like that. So I twisted it around my finger twice. Let's just pull it out just to make sure. Good. So it's there. So what I'm going to do, boys and girls, I'm going to open it up. Open up our pipe cleaners. They're all different lengths. This is okay. Maybe I should have wrapped it more in the center. I thought that was the center, but it looks a little skewy. Let's unwrap it and wrap it again so that it's more in the center. So I want to make sure that I have the center. So this is okay. We're just experimenting. So let's hold it out. Let's bring it up like this. And so down here is the center. Okay, so I can just maybe twist it again here. Right. Let's bring it in the center like that. So that when I put my finger and I wrap it around, it will be well wrapped. So 1, twice like that. Okay, so we twist it around twice, so you can pull it out, pull out the ring. Okay, nice round shape. And then what I want us to do, we're going to open it out like that, flatten it out. So we open it out nicely. We can have it 1, 1. Right, so we have the 2 pinks like that. So you have the 2 pinks like this, and then the other 2 pinks in close to the ends. Let's do the other side the same way. So we have these 2 like that, and then we have 1 pink like that, another pink like that. All right, I think this looks good. So we'll have it like that. So what we're going to do, we don't want the ends of the pipe cleaner to hurt us because it's quite sharp. So we're going to take our lip, and we're going to take our times, and we're going to wrap it around like this. I'm going to take my my little toothpick. I'm going to take it and wrap it. You have to be able to be strong enough. It's not hard, boys and girls, come on. And then you're going to wrap it. So I took it to wrap it, and then you just continue wrapping it around like that. Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Okay, you can wrap it like that. So that's one. So you're going to wrap it, and you're going to wrap all of them. I'll do another one for you to see. You take your your toothpick, you wrap it, 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 wrap it. Because that actually looks like a spider, or it can be tentacles really, if you wish. So I'm going to continue to wrap it around, and I'll get back to you. So boys and girls, I've wrapped them all up. Right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to arrange it. So I've put the brighter pink in the center, because when you look at a flower towards the center, it's more brighter, and then the petals on the outside are a lot more lighter. So I'm just trying to put it arrange it so that it looks like a lovely flower. And what I'm going to do, boys and girls, I'm going to take one of my gems that has a little bit of glue, it has a little bit of glue on the end, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick it in the middle here to make this a cute little gem like that, boys and girls. So then you just, the last thing we need to add, just try to put it in flat like that. Okay, we don't want it to be hidden at the same time. All right, so I think that's good. And so you can bring the flowers up a little bit to make it more dimensional. And what we're going to do now, we're going to add a green pipe cleaner. What we're going to do, we're going to measure it, get the center of the pipe cleaner like that, boys and girls. And then we're going to add this end around this part of the ring, and we're going to create a leaf. So we're going to put it like that, and we're going to wrap it around like that. And just once you need to wrap it around, and then the leaf you can actually, because it's going to be longer, we're going to wrap it like, let's just make it a little bit more longer. So we'll just make it like an inch long. So we'll get out our ruler, measure about an inch, which is right here. So we'll have it an inch long, and we're just gonna fold it until we get the correct length for the leaf. So we just put that inside like, oh, I'm sorry, I lost my way, like that. And then we'll turn this around like that, poke it out a little bit. Let's do it the same thing on this side. We're going to have about an inch, so that's more or less an inch. And then you're just going to wrap another one like that inside of it, and then take this one and go in. Okay, I hope that you saw what I did. Just wrap it around until it makes goes all the way around like that. And there we have our lovely little rose ring. And I'm just gonna see if it can be worn. And there it is. That's my lovely ring. All right, so for the boys, we can make this into a beetle by using the colors, like maybe the colors of a beetle. You can use orange and black, perhaps, and then you'll put two eyes there, and this becomes the antenna of the beetle. All right, or you can make it a turtle and add some pom-poms around it, small pom-poms, you know, and add two googly eyes, and you've got yourself a beetle ring. But I will stick with the rose for the girls, or if you wish, you can give this to your mummy. Boys, you can just make this gift for your mummy. That's a beautiful gift to give to your mummy. All right, so boys and girls, I can't wait to see your rose. please share with me, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.